Little breast milk. Someone's excited.
A little more breast milk.
Faulkner, where's Argos?
This is what he's eating. Organic whole grain rice cereal. I think this batch might be a little thicker. Should we try thicker? Some more? That's what you're eating. Yummer.
Faulkner. Yummy! Yummy! Mmm!
He grunts a lot.
He's like his mommy.
More food. More food, Mama.
Someone's super bummed. Argos, are you super bummed? What about you, Don Pedro? You know my dad's like, get it back on the baby. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Is it good, Faulkner? Is he? He's really good.
You okay, honey? It's okay. You're doing a really good job.
Maybe that's
That was a
that
good
was
bite,
freaking me
wasn't
out. Good job.
That was really good.
Did you know that he was gonna do that?
No.
Oh.
What do you mean just then?
I mean, reading the books that he might start choking.
I don't know.
Maybe he. I don't know. You think he's done?
I don't know. So.
He's done. That's it. Good job, Faulkner.
Yay!
Yay!